In this video, I'll show you how to fix the NVIDIA Unable to Retrieve Settings error. First, try launching it as an administrator. Right-click on the NVIDIA Control Panel or GeForce Experience and select Run as Administrator. Check if that resolves the issue. If it doesn't, search for Run in the Start menu, type temp, and hit Enter. Delete everything in that folder. If a pop-up appears, just check the box and press Skip for any files that are in use. Leave those alone. Next, do the same thing again. Open Run. But this time type %tempest and press Enter. Repeat the process. Check the box, skip any locked files, and leave those in place. Don't worry about what's left over. It won't affect anything. After that, search for Services in the Start menu. Locate NVIDIA Display Container LS and any other NVIDIA-related services. Double-click each one, stop it, then double-click again and start it back up. Once you've restarted both, check if the issue is fixed. If it's still not working, open Device Manager, expand Display Adapters, right-click your graphics card, and select Update Driver. You can also try disabling the device and then re-enabling it to see if that resolves things. If none of that works, your best bet is a clean reinstall. Uninstall GeForce Experience completely, then download and reinstall it fresh. I really hope this helped. If it did, drop a like and subscribe. It means a lot. Thanks so much for watching.